Republic thinks they can blow up our factory, I will enjoy teaching them a lesson. We obliterated their defenses, but one squad survived. Eliminate them so we can retake the factory.
Exterminate the Republic forces.
The clones are attempting to reclaim 2 of their forward command centers. Secure both locations. Those clones are causing trouble. I do not know what kind, but kill them anyway. They are activating the main console. Stop them.
Activating strategic control circuit. Activating turret. Don't let them touch anything.
Their resistance to dying impacts our ability to reclaim the factory.
Win or be deactivated. Grenade out. We need a distraction. Let's try winning.
Their logic is faulty. Preventing us from making more droids gives them nothing to fight. The command centers were unimportant anyway, but let's find some reinforcements nonetheless.
Do you think we should tell them we already beat them a little while ago?
Darth Maul is here to strike fear into the enemy.
Prepare for invader. Turret ready. Grenade out position. Exterminate the Republic. More clones? You gotta be kidding me! Activating turret.
They cannot hope to defend the factory.
Whatever they're doing, activate control circuits. The rabble is overwhelming our superior forces.
Perhaps this would be easier to deal with if we got some help pulled back to the transports. We have underestimated the clones. They may have taken an interest in our troop transports. They may also have a walker fall back.
Transports are under attack! Scratch off one ATTE. Don't they know how explosive those fuel tanks are? Organic ally arriving.
Catastrophic damage reported. Hull integrity at 5%.
Transports are taking damage.
If the transport falls, it will probably fall on you.
transport under fire. I always wanted to kill a tank.
We need to reconsider our strategy around the foundries. The core ship will do so from orbit while we eradicate the clones.
ATPE destroyed.
The tanks are trying to recapture their turbo laser batteries. Head them off.
Sentry gun online.
Destroy their walkers so they can secure the area.
Turret ready. Sentry mode activated. Ow!
The Jedi Master Yoda has been spotted.
Sentry mode activated. So long, six leg. Made out. A powerful enemy has joined the battle. Their walkers are almost to the turbo lasers. Republic ally arriving. Big trouble. Walker down. I guess this is what they call a last stand.
We have been joined by Darth Maul.
Sentry mode activated. Good luck,
Master
turret.
Yoda has joined the Republic forces.
Scratch up one ATTE. Sentry mode activated. Kill it, tank! Clone troopers advancing on the turbo lasers.
Guarantee the command ships escape, or there will be consequences.
So long, six legs. New enemy detected. Supreme threat. Every droid must fight.
General Grievous frowns on such ineptitude, usually with a lightsaber.
I'll bet this never happens to droidicas.
Infiltrating the droid factory would no longer seem to be our primary concern.